In this video, I will show you how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, we can hide rows and columns that contain data which we no longer need for analysis, instead of deleting it. Or if we have a lot of data, to narrow down the focus of analysis, we may need to hide the rows and columns in Google Sheet. So let's see how to do it in this video. To hide the data in columns, first, we need to select the column. And next, we need to click this arrow icon in this column. And from the list of options, we need to select Hide Column. The Complete Revenue column with the data is hidden immediately. You can see here, when a column is hidden, you will be able to see two arrows between the two columns. To make the column visible again, we need to click these arrows. And now, the revenue column is visible. Similarly, we can hide the rows as well. We can select the row that we want to keep hidden. And next, select the Hide option. And the three rows are hidden. And to unhide the row, we need to click the arrow that's visible between these two rows. And we are done with this Google Sheet video. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.